Unless I'm big on that. Sorry.
Auntie, so who teach you to make sawine?
Yeah, that's nice. I like that one. Yeah. I put leave it only put sour. I'll put a spice in there. I'll give it a little flavor.
I can't believe this pot is about 15 years old, Auntie. How long are you going to patch it for?
Well, until it turns golden brown.
Okay. Okay.
Some people does use butter, but I don't.
Okay.
Because if it remain, it will still stay until you want to use it another time.
Yeah,
you
you
know
can
what
use it
happens?
back.
Sometimes the butter have it little rancid
Oh.
if it stay low.
Oh.
So you just pass it with the spice,
Right.
and it could stay
And that's just good enough. Okay.
until you're ready to use it again.
Okay. And you store it like in the fridge or in the freezer?
I just store mine in the fridge.
Once it have no butter?
Yeah.
You're good.
And
Okay.
it will stay low.
Oh. It's already coming in. I see it over there. Yeah. I love this pot, Auntie. I never saw one like a shape like this. It's looking like a wok, but it's not a wok, right?
No.
It's real nice.
That's why I kept it for this purpose only.
Yeah. And it smells nice too. It smells really nice. Well, of course, right, you have to keep turning it, otherwise it could burn, right? So moving it, okay.
You just have to stand there and keep watching it and turning it. Otherwise, if you leave it, it's going to burn to the bottom.
Yeah.
But these people, some of them, just put it in the oven.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I doing the traditional way,
yeah.
that patching it on the stove.
Fast mainly because you had the pot hot too, right? That pot have to be hot.
Yeah.
It's nice and golden, boy. Smelling really good.
With the water. And just bring the water there. Prunes. The cherry goes in the last. And you will throw your little spices like elaichi.
Oh, nice.
And spice. And you have the essence. And then the condensed milk and carnation milk. But some people put sugar.
Right.
But I don't.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I put the condensed milk and carnation milk,
Right.
and the condensed milk to sweeten it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
But sugar is optional.
Okay.
If you want to use it, no problem.
But you
So
just
if
stick
you use
to
the
your...
sugar, you add less condensed milk.
Oh.
Yeah.
But this way I find it would be nice and rich and creamy.
Yeah.
Right? So do you put like more water than milk or kind of like
No,
equal amounts?
You put it to balance off, so when you put your sawine and it boil,
Right.
it will...
Just
yeah.
enough to cook maybe
Yeah.
the... Okay. I understand.
Because even though the sawine boil and you leave it to cool,
Right.
it raise.
Oh, right. Okay. It'll kind of absorb water. Water boiling.
While the water is boiling, I'm throwing my elaichi.
Okay.
Throwing the sawine. Put in some cloves, some raisins, almonds,
And so who teach you to make sawine?
Mom.
Your mommy?
Yeah.
Okay.
I saw how she was doing it.
You used to look
And
and help her too? You used to help her?
Yes. Then go with some spice. till the sawine is softened.
So you basically just have to keep checking it until it gets soft.
Yeah. You notice it start to rise up.
Mm-hmm.
Just throw in the prunes, so it will get soft.
Oh, okay. So you can't put too much water. It has to have enough water
Yeah,
to
you
cook.
have to average your water.
Right.
So it wouldn't be, even though when it get cold, it rise up and it.
Oh, okay. It would keep getting thicker.
So
right.
if it depends on the individual. If you
Right.
feel like you want more milk, you throw some carnation and you sweeten it to suit.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then it's not like you're going to pour this water out, so that's why it's important to add enough water. But even later on when you add milk and you put your sawine to set aside, you could continue adding milk if it thickens up throughout the day, maybe? Okay.
You could do it same time, but you could let this cool and then
add the milk after
your milk
later.
and whatever you need to do.
Okay. So let's just say you have like you're cooking and stuff. You could boil, parch, boil, set aside, and then later when you finish cook, you could always add all your milk after.
Years ago, when she do her sawine, she said let it cool.
Oh.
So when it cool, then she will know how much milk to add to it.
Because it will get thicker, as you were saying. Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Here goes the essence. And all these is optional as to what people want to drink.
So anything here could be omitted, but
the
basic idea.
Because some people, they're allergic to nuts or whatever.
Yeah, true.
So this is why everybody does just set aside everything, and they who whatever they want, they take what they want.
Oh.
And so it goes in the cherry. So now it's only your milk, your carnation, and your condensed to go in there.
Oh, very nice. It's looking so good.
Here it goes in the carnation.
And you're right, Auntie, it actually did absorb a lot of water. It got thicker.
So you're using condensed milk to suit your likeness of sweetness.
It looks nice and rich and creamy already. So you adding two cans of condensed milk. Okay. But you could use how much ever you want, right?
Yes. Okay. If you want to go in with, if you're not don't want too much of sweetness, you could go in with 1.5 or with 1 is up to you.
Okay.
The person.
Right. So you could taste as you go along and see if you want to add.
Yeah.
Okay. Bird is like here now whispering so loud.
Right, and that's your sawine.
Wow. Auntie looks so good. Yes, Aunty Zameedah is the best.
That I have sawine. So that was a sweet. If she did, and it looks like sawine. It tastes like.
Taste this. I can't wait to taste it. But Auntie, you have to show everybody who made it. Come. So I want to just say a special thank you, Aunty Zameedah. Thank you so much for doing this video and showing me and everyone how to make sawine your way, how your mommy taught you. I can't wait to taste it. I can smell it already. It's smelling amazing. It's looking rich and creamy. So everybody, this is Aunty Zameedah, and thank you for showing us how to make this sawine. And thank you RS Save With Us Supermarket for all these goodies today. You know, all these nice delicious ingredients to make this sawine this Eid. I am very happy for it, and thank you again.
And thank you so much.
You're welcome, Auntie. So tasting it, huh? I know you're gonna taste real good. I have all kind of goodies in here: almonds, prunes, raisins, cinnamon. Well, of course, the vermicelli, which is the sawine, condensed milk, elaichi. Oh,
yeah.
right, yes, and carnation milk. Have I missed out anything?
Yes.
Prunes, cherries,
The clove.
and cloves. Right. Mmm. It tastes real good. No joke. Like it's perfect. It's like super rich and creamy. I mean, I like that you was actually saying that you could have it buffet style. So all the add-ons, all the prunes and the actually put in your, you can have it buffet style and just do your vermicelli or sawine separate and add your toppings. I love the idea. This is so yummy. Mommy, come and taste it. Auntie, you'll taste this with us? You taste it? A little bit?
I'm Russian aunties.
What about you, Zara? You shy? You shy?
I think Aunty Zameedah is just the best.
Well, good, huh? This one really nice.
Thank you so much.
Really, really, really nice. Well,
I think I learned a lot too.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye, everybody.
Take you to school. What a lot.
One thing with this, when you're patching, you get a
Jump out.
Yeah.
Oh, it starts flying all over.
See, so I sort of break it up.
Mommy better pay really good attention so she'll be able to make it just like you, Auntie.
Taking orders. I'm taking orders actually. Nice cinnamon. That's a nice thing.